Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Ikson, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this jumbo box braids. As you can see, it's so beautiful. If you want to know how to make this, keep on watching. So I divided my hair into 14 sections, and I'm going to be making use of this 2-in-1 expression braiding hair. Right now I'm just taking it out of the pack, cutting and then pulling the ends. It's very important to pull the ends because it gets rid of the blunt part and it gives more length to the hair. I'm just applying my shea butter on the hair, then I'm brushing it through. Right now I'm just showing you the amount of hair I used for each braid. As I said earlier, I used 2 big packs of expression braiding hair. Now one pack gave me 7 sections, yes, and the second one gave me 7. Altogether it turned out 14, and that was the number of sections I divided on my hair. I applied my edge control around the part, and then I applied my shea butter to moisturize my hair, and then I started braiding. I made it tight at the beginning, and then while I went down I just made it loose to give it a bigger look. I kept on braiding. It took me 3 hours to complete this hair and trim it and everything. So I really love this hair, although because my hair is natural, it didn't last long. So I recommend that if you have natural hair, make yours tighter, yes, but if your hair is relaxed, you are good to go. This is the perfect hairstyle for you. I'll be leaving a list of the things I used in this video in the description box, so do check it out, and let's continue with the hairstyle. I'm just showing you what I did. I'm just applying edge control on the front of my hair, and I'm brushing it and styling it in front. I forgot to show the part where I applied my shea butter, but I did that before I started braiding. And right now I'm just braiding the stuff. It was a struggle because my hair is not so long, and I washed my hair so it shrunk, and all those natural hair troubles and dramas. So I'm just braiding, and I took out little piece and then I continued braiding. If you saw the beginning of the video where I displayed the hair, I curled some part, and this is the part I curled. Right now I'm just using my flexi rods to roll the hair. I'm just trimming the hair. It took me like about 20 to 30 minutes to trim this because it was raw. Like I was struggling with the back and all. Okay, right now I'm just dipping it inside hot water. I had to do the rest off camera so I wouldn't burn myself. As you can see, I'm sweating but as though I steamed myself. And I'm just taking out the the flexi rods and showing you how the curls came out. It came out beautiful. I loved it. Okay, I'm done with unraveling the flexi rods. I'm just adding some hair accessories to my hair, make it look beautiful, and I'm done with it. And here is the finished look, guys. I love this hairstyle. I'm so happy I did this. And if you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.